Huawei has unveiled its latest innovation in China, the Smart Selection IM Intelligent Disinfection Air Purifier X5. This cutting-edge air purifier is making waves for its claim to be the world's first active air purifier that releases high-voltage static electricity, promising a new level of air purification and disinfection. The Huawei Smart Selection IM Intelligent Disinfection Air Purifier X5 employs nano-electricity field-active killing technology to safeguard the quality of the air we breathe. It takes a proactive approach to disintegrating harmful microorganisms, offering a long-term solution to the problem of airborne contaminants. This innovative technology is complemented by a high-energy dust collection strategy, a sterilization electric field, and an H13 filter layer, creating a formidable double-layer active sterilization structure that relies on static high-voltage electricity. One of the standout features of this air purifier is its ability to combat a wide range of airborne threats, including viruses, molds, bacteria, and other harmful agents. The Huawei X5 uses static electricity to break down and carbonize these microorganisms, ensuring that the air in your living space remains clean and safe for you and your family. Moreover, the air purifier is equipped with a dual formaldehyde removal system, effectively removing this harmful substance from the air. It achieves an impressive 99.9% removal rate per hour, ensuring that the air in your entire apartment remains fresh and free from formaldehyde contamination. To further enhance its efficiency, the Huawei Smart Selection IM Intelligent Disinfection Air Purifier X5 boasts a comprehensive filter mechanism with a filter that weighs up to 6 kilograms. This substantial filter capacity ensures prolonged operation and efficient air purification. An intelligent air purifier seamlessly integrates into the Huawei Smart Home ecosystem, offering convenience and control at your fingertips. It supports Huawei smart speakers and Xiaoyi smart voice control, enabling you to manage your air quality with simple voice commands. It is also compatible with HarmonyOS 2.0.0 smartphones, allowing for quick and intuitive controls through your mobile device. Huawei's premium offering, the Smart Selection IM Intelligent Disinfection Air Purifier X5, comes with a price tag that reflects its cutting-edge technology and exceptional features. Initially priced as 7,499 yuan or $953, this air purifier sets a high standard for quality and innovation in the market. However, Huawei understands the value of making this remarkable product accessible to a broader audience. To entice early adopters and those who are eager to experience the benefits of clean and purified air, Huawei is providing a special limited-time offer. During this exclusive launch period, the Smart Selection IM Intelligent Disinfection Air Purifier X5 can be acquired for the attractive price of 5,999 yuan or $762. As this premium air purifier becomes more widely available, it is expected to set new standards in air purification technology and redefine the concept of clean, safe indoor air. Huawei's commitment to quality and affordability is evident in this offering, providing consumers with both exceptional value and peace of mind. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I also recommend watching another video on our channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.